love intelligent ball boys like I was. I was a brilliant ball boy as a kid.
Here's another look at it. Look at the ball boy, he's out sharp.
Oh, he's ready.
He's out sharp. Lucas Moura, cool head.
And this kid today was brilliant because he read the game, he understands the game, and he made an assist.